Hi guys, I welcome you all to my channel I Love English. In this channel, I will be teaching you English from basics. This course is for people who wants to speak English and wants to become fluent with the language. I will give you all the tips and the tricks you need to speak better English. This is the first video in the series. So without any delay, let's get started. Today, we will start with the basic sentence construction. In order to speak English fluently and correctly, one should know how sentences are constructed in English. There are 5 types of sentence structure. Number 1, subject verb. Number 2, subject verb object. Number 3, subject verb adjective. Number 4, subject verb adverb. And number 5, subject verb noun. We will understand each of them thoroughly with some examples. Subject verb. Example, Ram sings. In this sentence, there is a subject and a verb. Ram is a subject and sings is a verb. Ram sings. Here we will be using the first form of verb with s or es. We will understand different form of verbs in our later videos. Subject verb object. Example, Ronnie kicks the ball. Here Ronnie is the subject, kicks is the verb, and ball is the object. Subject verb adjective. Example, Ria looks pretty. Here Ria is the subject, looks is the verb, and pretty is the adjective. Subject verb adverb. Example, she arrived early. Here she is a subject, arrive is a verb, and early is an adverb describing the verb. Subject verb noun. Example, the boy is a student. Here boy is a subject, is a verb, and student is a noun. After understanding the different type of sentence structure, here is the assignment. Make at least 20 sentences for each type. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in our next video.